dude. What do they...
That's what it's doing. Turns to a snake.
Like a real snake?
No, not a real snake.
Wow. Kind of looks like dog poop.
It looks like what?
Dog poop. Look at it. Literally does.
It does.
Can I blow it out?
Yeah, go ahead.
I done something stupid.
You want to do two at a time?
Then can I throw some of those rocks?
If you want to.
Doesn't that look like a lot of Herc's dog poop?
Yeah.
It does. Doesn't it? I want to light the other one myself.
No, you're not old enough, baby.
It looks cool. It's like a swirly.
It is.
How does it do that though?
Just the way it's made. The
Does it like stretch out?
Yeah, the heat activates it and it stretches.
I thought it was like taking this out.
Well, that's pretty cool.